How to share Google Drive file in Slack. Google Drive files are very easy to share. It's very simple and in few seconds I'll teach. Simply go to a channel or a direct message where you want to share the Google Drive. Then simply tap on the plus icon from the message. There you can see upload a file. Simply tap on it. It will take you directly to the files. Here you can see drive. Simply tap on drive. Tap on my drive. There you can see which drive you want to share. Simply tap on it. Tap on share. Then after, simply tap on it and your drive will be shared. Here you can see your drive has been uploaded. I have selected 3 drives. Now simply add a message, then tap on send. Like this, easily you can share your Google Drive files in Slack.